Ayan, magandang hapon sa lahat.
So, magti 3 years pa lang ako sa China. I'm teaching as a preschool teacher. And coming to the Philippine Independence Day has always been a good experience for me kasi for a time, I feel like I'm not in China and I'm in the Philippines.
I'm Herbie Recato. I've been here in China for 13 years and I work here as an architect. Pagdating naman sa celebration ng Philippines, walang ibang katulad. So we have all the fun, the creativity and excitement. Kaya laging enjoy pag pumunta sa mga events dito sa Shanghai with the Filipino communities.
Ito po yung mga nagkakagandahan nating mga dilag kanina po during sa Parade of Muses that represents Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
Hello po, my name is Elise representing Luzon. Kaya it was very exciting. Pero kabado din. But yeah, we enjoyed.
It's so fun and everybody's having fun. So let's celebrate the Philippines. Let's go!
Hello po, I'm from Mindanao and I am glad that I'm part of this event and yeah, ang saya po. Happy Independence Day.
Ayan.
86.9 LNFM.
Sa lahat, nandito pa tayo ngayon live sa 86.9 LSFM. Kasama po natin ngayon ang ating mga kasama sa PCG. Dito po sila, they enjoy the celebration po sa ating 127 Independence Day celebration dito po sa Shanghai. They're gonna be telling their stories, exactly what had happened today, how the preparations been done before po sa celebration na ito.
Ayan, una sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pumunta sa ating selebrasyon at maligayang happy 127th Philippine Independence sa ating lahat.
Hello, I'm Joji Dinsay from the Philippine Trade and Investment Center. I wish to congratulate the PhilComSia and all the attendees today for a very successful event. We really enjoyed. The food was great. The shows were really fun. So thank you for inviting us here. And once again, happy Independence Day.
Francisco Lardizabal from the Philippine Department of Tourism here in Shanghai. Actually, pareho kami ni Joji. This is our very first Independence Day celebration here in Shanghai. Dahil pareho kami bagong posted. And I'd like to say this is very special. We're really happy. The performances were really great. And the food was, of course, a welcome respite. Finally, I got to have a taste of sinigang again. And turon. And likewise, I would like to congratulate and thank also the sponsors of the event, lalo na yung Cebu Pacific and Philippine Airlines, which provided airfare, giving our kababayans the chance to explore the Philippines, and of course to the organizers. Congratulations for a very successful event.
Hi, I'm Joe Santiago. I'm from Philippine Chamber. So first of all, I want to congratulate all the organizers and thank you sa mga sponsors natin. So this is our 127th Independence Day. So far every year is improving since we started organizing this together with PhilComSia. So congratulations to all and thank you for joining us in this 127th Independence Day.
SFM, kasamahan po natin ngayon dito sa Metro Bank and also in our registration sa 127 Independence Day dito sa Shanghai.
Siyempre, madaming tao, masaya. Siyempre, Philippine Independence Day, parang once a year na celebration. So, magandang time para mag-reunion mga Pinoy. At siyempre, ibang lahi na rin.
It was great to see all, a bunch of old and new faces and amazing experience to see everyone.
Masaya. Happy Independence Day, Philippines. Every year, meron tayong celebration sa Shanghai for Independence Day. Then, luckily, we are fortunate we gather all the Filipinos here and to celebrate our Independence Day. Yeah. So, masaya.
Why?
Actually, yung association namin is PIMAS. So, Philippine Musician Association of Shanghai. So, lahat kami, iba-ibang grupo. May mga event tulad nito, special event. Yan, nagsasama.
Oo, actually, nabuo yung grupo nung isang araw lang. Oo, kasi dahil nga iba-iba kami ng pinagtatrabahuan, syempre, para sa community, yun, nagsasama-sama kami just to make performance para sa community. Kaya doon nabuo siya. Kasi yun, the rest is history.
Day. Ayun, pwede. Tulad nga lang sabi nila, yun nga yun. Thank you.
Yun. Katulad din ng sinabi nila. Well, anyway, kasi ang grupo na to nabuo dahil sa mga event na ganito. Lalo-lalo na sa mga sa mga event ng like as Filipino, 'di ba? So, para naman may ambag tayo. Siyempre, patagal tayo wala sa atin. And then, 'di ba? Mas maganda yung mafe-feel mo na lahat sa paligid mo puro Pinoy. 'Yon.
Ako nga pala si JC. Yun lang.
Sorry sa Judy's pala. Ako sa Found, sa 2-in-1. Yan, sa 2-in-1.
Sa the office ako. Punta lang kayo pag linggo, day off ko eh.
Ako naman sa Kunshan, bali 2 hours from here, sa Shanghai. Yan. Pero dati ako sa Shanghai actually. Tapos, siyempre dahil sa pandemic, yun. Kailangan lumuwas. Yan. Hopefully makabalik.
Ako naman po sa White Horse. Yun lang. Kaputong.
Shoutout lang natin.
Shoutout natin.
Eto,
Ayan.
dalawa. Support them. Please support them. Meron silang vlog din sa YouTube.
Ayan. Yan, para sa atin. Alright. Bye-bye po.
Maganda po kasi nag-enjoy yung mga Pilipino sa Shanghai at iba-ibang lugar ng China na mga Pilipino pumunta dito talagang nag-enjoy na nag-celebrate. 20 years na po kami sa China.
Yeah.
And at the same time, si Marty was born here in Suzhou 2007. Now he's graduated.
It's extremely saddening to realize that this is my last Independence Day. Also, it's gonna be extremely. I'm gonna be kind of sad because this is my last year in China. So, yeah. This is a very entertaining, festival. I enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the food here. I enjoyed the activity. Not the activity. The presentation, the activity. So yeah.
Shout out to Bermejo, Mondragon, Doblado clan.
Thank you. Shout out to our children there somewhere.
Shout out to parents right here. Very love. Yeah.
Hello mga ka-LS! Nandito po tayo ngayon ulit. Kasama ko po si Mark, Program Directors po para dito sa ating celebration sa 127 Independence Day. So Mark, paano nabuo, nakaceptualize itong celebration natin ngayon?
Alam mo naman, every year tayo may selebrasyon. So itong taon na to, ginawa nating mas makabuluhan by showcasing the regional queens. So meron tayong Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, at saka lalo-lalo na yung napakabagong singing group natin, yung Tinig Pitas. So masayang-masaya kami sa lahat ng suporta ng Tinig Pitas.
Paano ba mga struggles na mga na-face nyo para mabuo lang to?
Alam nyo po kasi napakaiksi ng panahon eh. So kailangan naming maghanap ng paraan para mabenta yung ticket at lalo na mabuo yung buong programa natin. So yung oras lang yung kalaban natin dito. Pero so far, maganda naman ang resulta ng event natin.
Ayan! Masaya, ang saya-saya natin sa mga ka-LS sa susunod na Independence Day. Sana sumama na kayo at wag kayo magpahuli dahil maraming nanalo ng mga prizes. So don't forget our next Independence Day next time. Bye mga ka-LS! Hello mga ka-LS! Nandito po ako ngayon. Kasama ko si Tita Michelle, the president po ng Filipino community here in Shanghai, the core organizer po ng ating 127th Independence Day dito sa Shanghai. Tita Michelle will share stories kung paano nasimula, na brainstorm hanggang katapusan, hanggang ito naging successful event po.
Hello everyone, I'm very happy to be here and share. Wishing everybody a happy 127th Philippine Independence Day. Well, actually, kakatapos lang po namin mag-celebrate ng Independence Day today here in Shanghai. And we have about like 250 people in this event, a little more than 250 people in this event this afternoon at the Intercontinental Shanghai Jing'an. It was a very successful event. Lahat na pasaya po. Nasarapan din po sa mga kinain namin dito. At saka po nakapagtapaw din lahat at masaya po sila. Ngayon, the event, masaya-masaya talaga yung atmosphere dito. May mga paraffle po kaming mga Philippine Airlines, saka Cebu Pacific. Tapos, meron po kaming Filipino banda, Pinoy banda nagtumugtog dito at nagsayawan pa ho. At meron po kami ditong tinig pitas na kumanta rin, mga group of teachers na kumanta ng mga traditional Philippine songs natin like Bahay Kubo, Liron-Liron Sinta. And meron po kami ditong cultural dance parade na may 3 muse po nag-perform to represent Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Overall po, maganda po ang performance at nagustuhan ng lahat. I could say it's a very successful event. But alam naman po nyo sa ganitong mga events, marami po din yung pinagdadaanan. Hindi naman po yan basta-basta na lang na nangyari. So, I think we had about 1.5 months to 2 months to prepare this event. And the challenge here is because of this very tight time period. I would say it's like 2 months inclusive of the time that we were searching for a hotel. So, from that time until today, hindi pa nga abutin ng even a whole 2 months kasi nag-umpisa kami maghanap ng hotel mga early part ng May na. So, 21 pa lang tayo, hindi pa tayo tapos ng June. So, nearly about 1.5 months. So, with that very tight schedule, really, personally, I would say I'm really amazed about how much we have achieved. Ngayon, hindi naman po mangyayari yan kung hindi po lahat ng mga community members po natin dito ay nagtulong-tulungan. I really would say po yung today, itong performance na po ito, itong event na ito, every community member who participated, volunteered, supported this event, they really put all their effort into it. Siyempre, nag-meeting po kami, meron kaming overall scheme, pagkatapos kanya-kanya ng delegation ng kanilang trabaho, kanya-kanya sila mga practice. At yung mga practice po na yun, hindi naman po namin nakikita. Pero dito lang namin first time nakita lahat at nabuo ng magandang. Sabihin nyo ang challenges, oras, pero nagawa po namin. Kaya, bravo to everybody!
Yan! Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Ito po si Doms. At thank you, Tita Michelle, for your wonderful message para sa ating 127th Independence Day.
Mabuhay po sa ating lahat!
Ayan! At saka mabuhay ang 86.9 LSFM! Mabuhay!